Ever dropped an egg in the middle of a cheese volcano?
Killer egg in the center, so yummy, so delicious. We've got ricotta, we've got feta, fresh mozz, a little hot sauce, little salt and pepper, little fresh herb, honey, things like that, which aren't necessarily Georgian, but I made it and that's how I want to make it. Great for brunch with the egg component. The cheese boat. You know I'm a sucker for pizza. Adjaruli Khachapuri. I'm in.
So back when I was still living in New York, I got this consulting opportunity. Yeah, I am really a chef. To work on this Georgian concept, not Atlanta. So I actually went to Tbilisi, spent a couple days with the client doing some research, seeing and learning about the cuisine on the ground, which was kind of awesome. So, every region kind of has their own pizza. So this is kind of the Georgian style. They have a bunch of different versions. This is the Adjaruli Khachapuri, which has the egg. What I've done is kind of tried to emulate the flavors in the cheese like they had there, the recipes in the captions, but you kind of just make a boat and load it up and, you do a great egg wash and, I'm embellishing at the end and adding some other flavor and color. Otherwise, it's very neutral in appearance like you see here. You're going to make that indentation just before it's done. I bake this at 750 in my little electric uni in my house. Always got to put a little salt and pepper on your egg. Hello. And then I had some fresh herbs and some crushed pepper and some honey. And so I added some more flavor to it because to me, it's extremely one note. But if that's how you like it, it's all good. It's up to you how you want to make it. But I really recommend trying this Georgian style pizza or cheese boat. It's totally amazing. Another thing is I use that same 72-hour dough that I've used throughout this series that is in the pizza series. I don't remember which episode, but scroll through, you'll be able to find it and give this a try. It's a real treat. It's amazing, delicious, and like I said, it's dropping an egg in a cheese volcano with crispy, crunchy, yeasty bread that is off the charts. Yum. Wow.
Thank you for tuning in. Keep on following. More pizzas to come and more crazy zaniness in my YouTube shorts for quick kitchen tips, tricks, cocktails, gadgets, and whatever's on my mind. So thanks again, and I'll see you soon.